to give my Disney store, Elsa doll, a Frozen 2 makeover. Watch her transform from this to this. Stay tuned! Here's what we'll need. This Elsa doll is played a lot. Overall, she's in good condition. However, her hair is in serious need of TLC. So we decided, why not give her a makeover? Step 1. Let's assess the situation. If there are any rubber bands, let's remove them using these scissors. But be careful, always ask for an adult when using sharp objects. Now, let's snip them away, like this. I then gently remove the rubber band. As you can see, her hair has many unwanted frizz and knots due to playtime. And her hair has tons of factory products. But we can fix that. Step 2. Unravel her braids. At this point, her hair is a little bit knotty, so let's be careful not to pull out her hair as we unravel the rest of her braids. Step 3. Let's brush. Beginning from the tips of her hair, working your way up. That way, we won't be making new knots and tangles. Now, let's give Elsa her spa clothes. Ta-da! Now that you are ready, we can now go to the bathroom. Come on, Elsa. This way to the bathroom, Elsa. Sorry. Step 4. Rinse. Let's soak her hair to proceed to the next step, which is shampoo. Gently massage her hair, beginning from the roots, working your way down. And then, let's rinse. This is warm water. I find it helpful to begin incorporating heat early on. Then, let's condition her hair. This is Tresemme Keratin Smooth. I love the scent. Plus, it gives me a soft hair to work with later on. Let it sit for 15 minutes. And then, let's rinse. Use a towel to remove excess water on her hair. Step 5 is a very dangerous step. Please ask for an adult to do this part. Boil water on your kettle and let it sit for 30 seconds. Make sure that your doll's hair is tangle-free by giving her a comb through. Now, dip her hair onto the boiled water. Combing her hair at this part is essential as it will tame down the unwanted frizz patterns. Step 6. I'm giving her a side part. As you can see, her hair is much better now. Step 7 requires an adult supervision. This is a 1/2 inch curler and straightener. It goes about 180 degrees, but we are not gonna allow it to reach that heat. This is why I turn it on for 5 seconds and then turn it off when it's gonna contact the doll's hair. I repeat, make sure to turn it off when it touches the doll's hair. After giving her hair some heat, I then use the tiniest rollers that I can find. The way I'm curling her hair is always away from her face. Her hair is still damp. That's why I'm not too worried when I use this flat iron. Just repeat until you finish the long pieces. For the bangs, the process is pretty much the same. Only now, after giving it a heat, I hold its shape until it cools down a bit. And then, I add these bobby pins to further hold its shape. And I just repeat until I ran out of bangs to curl. Now that everything is secured in place, we'll let it air dry for about an hour. Now that her hair is dry, let's remove the bobby pins first. And then, let's remove her rollers. At this point, if you're already satisfied with the results, you can then proceed with the styling part. But I want to make it as accurate as I can, so I proceed with step 8. Now that her hair is dry, it is more susceptible to burning. That's why we will do the same process a while ago. Turn your iron off when in contact to the doll's hair. I'm just basically curling her bangs to give it the swoop that she has in the movies. Step 9. The cutting part. My personal goal is to give her layers as best I could, keeping in mind that the top part will get the shortest layers. Step 10. Seal the deal with that extra hold hairspray and Gatsby gel water. And you're done!